A standby or backup generator is a crucial asset for businesses to ensure uninterrupted power during outages. However, unexpected shutdowns can compromise reliability and leave you scrambling to restore power. Understanding why your generator shuts down and how to address the issue is essential to keeping it operational when you need it most. Safety disclaimer: generators contain high-voltage components, flammable fuel, and moving parts that can be hazardous. Attempting repairs without proper expertise may result in injury or equipment damage. Always follow safety guidelines and consult a professional. For expert service, contact Weld Power Generator. Generators are designed with built-in safety mechanisms to protect against electrical faults, frequency imbalances, and extreme conditions. If your generator shuts down unexpectedly, you could be dealing with a short circuit, voltage fluctuation, or an internal mechanical failure. To mitigate this, conduct regular electrical inspections, monitor voltage and frequency levels with a power analyzer, and schedule professional maintenance for deeper diagnostics. One of the most frequent causes of generator shutdowns is overheating, often due to low coolant levels. When the coolant drops below a critical point, the engine temperature rises rapidly, triggering an automatic shutdown. You could be dealing with coolant leaks from hoses or gaskets, a dirty or blocked radiator reducing cooling efficiency, a faulty water pump, or even a malfunctioning sensor. The solution is simple: regularly check coolant levels and top them off when needed. Inspect for leaks and repair them promptly. Keep the radiator clean to ensure proper airflow. And don't forget to test and replace any faulty temperature sensors. Generators are equipped with oil pressure sensors that trigger a shutdown when pressure drops below a safe level. Low oil pressure can be caused by leaks, degraded oil, a faulty sensor, or even an oil pump failure. To avoid this, always check and maintain proper oil levels. Change your oil and filters on schedule. Inspect for leaks and repair them immediately. And if the oil pump is failing, don't wait, get it replaced. Your generator is only as good as the fuel it receives. A shutdown due to fuel problems could mean the tank is empty or low, the fuel filter is clogged, air has entered the fuel system, or the fuel itself is contaminated with water, dirt, or microbial growth. The best way to prevent this? Keep your fuel tank adequately filled and monitor levels closely. Replace clogged fuel filters during routine maintenance. If air gets into the fuel system, bleed it out. And to keep your fuel clean and free of contaminants, consider fuel polishing services. A generator's battery is crucial for starting and maintaining electrical functions. If the battery is weak or failing, the generator may not run properly. This can happen due to battery age and sulfation, corroded terminals, a faulty alternator, or excessive battery drain from electrical faults. To stay ahead of these issues, perform regular battery voltage checks and replace old batteries. Clean and secure battery connections to prevent corrosion. Test and repair the charging system and inspect for any electrical faults that might be draining the battery. Generators and their control panels are packed with sensors monitoring oil pressure, temperature, and voltage. If one malfunctions, it could trigger a false shutdown. Issues can also arise from loose wiring or outdated control panel software. The fix? Run diagnostics to identify faulty sensors, secure or replace damaged wiring, and update control panel software as needed. Every generator has a maximum load capacity. Exceeding it can cause an automatic shutdown to prevent damage. Overloading happens when too much equipment is running at once, sudden power surges occur, or faulty connections create unexpected spikes. To prevent this, monitor your load distribution and reduce non-essential loads. A load management system can help prevent spikes. And make sure all electrical connections are properly maintained. Most instances of a generator shutting down can be prevented with regular maintenance. Implementing a preventative maintenance program that includes fluid sampling, battery inspections, fuel system cleaning, and load testing can help identify issues before they lead to failure. At Weld Power Generator, we specialize in generator maintenance and repair services to ensure your power systems remain reliable. If your generator is experiencing shutdowns, contact us today for expert troubleshooting and servicing. A generator shutdown can be inconvenient and costly, but understanding the common causes and how to address them can help keep your system running smoothly. By proactively maintaining your generator, you can ensure it delivers power when you need it most. For more information or to schedule a service, reach out to Weld Power Generator. We're here to keep your power on.